Which are these 4 scenarios? Extensive researching in few organizations and institutes, first. No normal or formal education, but created a novel product or alike. Third, students or teachers struggling to understand procedure for patent filing. And a fourth, MSME unable to identify potential patent. So these are the 4 scenarios. In the first case, if academic and research institutes are of national level, well-settled IPR cells are established there, and the processes for IP management are streamlined to assist researchers in a patent filing. And hence you see in top list of patent filing names like IIT and CSIR. Now in second, third and fourth case, there is no such facility available. However, one thing is common in all above mentioned scenarios. IP awareness is a major issue throughout.